Hi everyone! Today we will be talking about baby shower and first birthday from PartyDeco. PartyDeco is the company who is a producer and designer of party products and wedding products also. When we talking about baby shower, it's good to have piñatas. One of piñata I have with me, this beautiful cloud. Look how nice, beautiful and good quality we have piñata. When we have the baby shower party, it's good when you hang the piñata and the kids can pull here and then all the sweets are going out. What's very important is that after the party, baby shower party, you can just hang it in the room of your little baby boy or girl. When you do not have much time to prepare and decorate your home with the baby shower decoration, we have the idea and the solution how to do this. You can just buy the ready to buy to go box full of baby shower decorations. So we have everything inside in that little tiny box. For example, for girls, we do have plates to mix and match with piñatas. We have beautiful light pink cups. We have also beautiful balloons, light pink and crystal one. We do have, of course, paper straws. All the parties must have banners, baby girl, and we do have also full balloons. It's a girl. Really similar box is for little baby boy. So it looks like that. Okay. And after baby shower, 1 year later, we have to prepare the first birthday party. How to start? Of course, we can start with balloons. For example, we do need 1 balloon in a gold or maybe in light, beautiful pink. We have more balloons. We have also in our offer beautiful latex sets of balloons. And this is the lovely packaging. We do have 6 different balloons inside, 2 of each style. So for example, we do have with the printing one and also the gold one, the light pink one also. If you're looking for sets with latex balloons, we do have also something for little boys with lovely cars. Look how beautiful are they. When we're talking about balloons, it's good to have the numbers. And we have our own beautiful design by us. Number 1 for baby boy. Look how big it is and how beautiful is the crown. Okay, and for little princess, we do have the pearl light pink, beautiful foil balloons with number 1 also. We do have also piñatas with number 1. Okay. If you would like to know all of our offer, it's good to visit our website www.partydeco.eu. Thank you for being with me and see you next time. Bye.